Hey guys, welcome to Tenorshare. If your iPhone started lagging after updating to the iOS 26 beta, you're definitely not alone. Many users have reported similar issues with performance drops after the update, and my iPhone was no exception. So I've gathered a few simple tricks that can help fix the lag and make your iPhone run smoother. Let's try them out. Tip 1. Force restart your iPhone. This clears system cache and can solve performance issues. Swipe down to open Control Center and hold the power button at the top. Then slide to power off your device. Once the screen goes black, turn it back on. This can often lead to a much smoother experience. Tip 2. Disable background processes. Turning off features that use system resources in the background can reduce lag. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh. Turn off App Refresh for any apps you don't use often. This helps preserve performance for the things you actually care about. Tip 3. Free up storage space. Low storage can also cause your iPhone to slow down. Head to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Delete apps you don't use, clear out old photos and videos, and make sure you've got enough free space to keep the system running smoothly. Tip 4. Reduce motion and transparency. iOS 26 includes some slick new glass-like effects, but they can really drag down performance, especially during the beta phase. To disable them, go to Settings, Accessibility, then tap Display and Text Size. Turn on Reduce Transparency. Go back one step, tap Motion, and turn on Reduce Motion. This can seriously cut down on lag and make your phone feel snappier. These tips should help reduce lag on your iPhone, but since this is a beta release, poor optimization is to be expected. That's why I really don't recommend running iOS 26 on your main device just yet. It could lead to bugs like freezes, black screens, or charging issues. And if that happens, the only way out might be restoring your device, which can lead to data loss. So now, I'm going to downgrade my iPhone back to iOS 18.5. Protecting the data is more important. I'll be using ReiBoot to handle the downgrade. Start by backing up your data. Downgrading requires resetting your iPhone, so this step is absolutely necessary. Connect the iPhone to the computer. In iTunes, click Backup Now. Next, launch ReiBoot. You can find the download link in the description below. Click on iOS Upgrade/Downgrade, then choose Downgrade. ReiBoot will automatically detect and match the best firmware for your device. Click Download. Wait for both the firmware download and data backup to complete, and then you can downgrade iOS. Click Initiating Downgrade. Your iPhone will begin the reset and downgrade process. This takes about 10 minutes. While that's happening, we need to modify your backup files. You can find them using either of these methods. I've listed the exact file path in the video description for your reference. Inside the backup folder, find the file named Info, Plist. Right-click and open it with Notepad. Press Ctrl and F and search for product version. You'll see the iOS version listed there. Change that version to 18.5. Then save and close the file. Let's check if the downgrade is done. All set. My iPhone is now back on iOS 18. Now it's time to restore the data. Open iTunes again. The system will prompt to verify the activation lock. Once verified, the backup can be restored. This may take a while, so be patient. After it's done, your iPhone will reboot. That's it. Your iPhone is now successfully downgraded. iPhone data is largely restored. Apps will take a while to download. That's the full downgrade process from iOS 26 to iOS 18. If you'd like to stay up to date with the latest iOS and Apple tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We hope this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.